Kumusta mga ka-mathwave? Ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay composition of functions. Ano nga ba ang compositions of functions? Sinabi natin composition of functions, let f and g be any two functions such that the range of g is in the domain of f. The composition of f and g is the function f composed of g of x. Speaking mathematically, the composition of f with g is denoted f of g of x or f composed of g of x. Both are read as f composed with g or f of g of x, or just simply f composed of g of x. Okay. Halimbawa, si x ay ipinasok natin doon kay g. So, lalabas magiging g of x. Mapapansin natin na si x ipinasok natin dito kay g. Ngayon, paglabas, g of x. Then next, kung si g of x ipinasok natin dito kay f, ang labas niyan, f composed of g of x. Yan po ang composition of functions. So for example, let f of x equals x minus 1 and g of x equals 5x plus 3. Find f composed of g of x and g composed of f of x. So solution. Unahin natin ang f composed of g of x. Mapansin natin na ang nasa labas o numerical coefficient ng g of x ay f or literal coefficient. So, ang function ng f ay f of x equals x minus 1. Ito po siya. So, kukunin natin ang function ng f of x which is x minus 1. Pagkatapos, dahil mayroon tayong g of x, kung ano ang function ng g of x, yun yung isa-substitute natin sa variable na x. Papalitan natin tong x na ito ng 5x plus 3. Ito po. No? Yung x, itong x mo na ito, pinalitan lang natin siya ng 5x plus 3 minus 1. Then next, 5x plus 3, alisin natin yung parenthesis, minus 1. Then, f composed of g of x equals 5x plus 2. Ito na po yung answer ng f composed of g of x. Then next, find g composed of f of x. So, mapapansin natin ang literal coefficient ng f of x ay g. So, ang function ng g ay 5x plus 3. So, yun po ang gagamitin natin, 5x plus 3. Then, we substitute the value of x. Dito po yung variable na x, papalitan natin ng f of x, which is x minus 1. So, papalitan natin siya ng x minus 1. So, tingnan po natin ang nangyari. Itong si x, napalitan lang po siya ng function ng f of x. Then, distributive property. So, 5 times x, 5x. Then, 5 times negative 1, negative 5. Plus 3. Okay, then next, combine like terms, 5x, then negative 5 plus 3, negative 2. Okay, another example, let f of x equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 5, and g of x equals 2x plus 1. Find f composed of g of x and g composed of f of x. So, ito po, unahin po natin yung f composed of g of x. Ang nasa labas po ulit ay f. So, unahin natin si 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. Ayan po. Then, substitute the value of x. Ito po yung variable na x. Palitan natin ng 2x plus 1. Ayan po siya. Yung x squared, pinalitan natin ng 2x plus 1 squared. Then, negative 3, itong x po, palitan ulit natin ng 2x plus 1 plus 5. Lahat po ng x papalitan natin ng value ng g of x or yung function na g of x. Then is next, ibig sabihin po ng square dito na 2, dalawang beses po natin i-multiply itong 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. Minus 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 1 plus 5. Okay. 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2x plus 1, 2x. Then 1 times 2x, 2x. Then 1 times 1, 1. Okay. Next. Ito na po siya, no? Dahil combine like terms, 2x plus 2x, 4x. Gets pa? Okay, tuloy natin. 2 times 4x squared, 8x squared. 2 times positive 4x, positive 8x. Then 2 times 1, 2. Okay, the next, negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x. Negative 3 times positive 1, negative 3 plus 5. Okay, combine like terms, 8x squared. Ito po siya. Wala na pong kaparehas na exponent na may 2. Ang exponent po ng 8x ay 1. Ang exponent ng negative 6x ay 1. So, 8x minus 6x, positive 2x. Dahil mas malaki po yung value ng positive. Then, 2 minus 3, negative 1, plus 5, positive 4. Ito na po ang value ng f composed of g of x equals 8x squared plus 2x plus 4. The next, how about g composed of f of x? So, g composed of f of x, unahin natin yung g function. So, kunin natin si function ng g, which is 2x plus 1. Then, substitute 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 to the variable x. Papalitan lang po natin yung variable na x ng 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. Ito po, pinalitan lang natin siya ng function ng f of x. Ng distributive property, 2 times 2x squared, 4x squared. 2 times negative 3x, negative 6x. 2 times positive 5, positive 10. Then 2, then bring down positive 1. Okay, next, combine like terms. 4x squared minus 6x, 10 plus 1 equals 11. So, ito na po ang g composed of f of x. 4x squared minus 6x plus 11. Another example. Let f of x equals x plus 6 and g of x equals 2x minus 1. Find f composed of g of 3 and g composed of f of negative 1. Okay. Unahin po natin si f composed of g of x. Then next, si g of x composed daw siya ng g of 3. So, papalitan natin ito ng value na 3. So, 2 times itong x po, pinalitan lang natin ng 3. Then, 2 times 3 equals 6 minus 1 equals 5. Ito po ang value ng g of 3 equals 5. G of 3 equals 5. Then, isa-substitute lang po natin siya kay f of x. Okay? So, ang f of x natin ay x plus 6. Since may value na po tayo ng g of 3, which is positive 5, ito po ang value natin, yun na lang po ang ipapalit natin sa variable na x, si positive 5. So, 5 plus 6 equals 11. Okay, how about f of g composed of f of negative 1? So, f of negative 1, ito po, ang nauunang literal coefficient na ng f of x natin ay g, which is 2x minus 1. Palitan natin siya ng variable na f of x. Other method po ito ng solution. So, x plus 6. Papalitan natin ng x plus 6. Then, 2 times x, 2x. 2 times positive 6, 12 minus 1. Then 2x plus 12 minus 1 equals 11. Then saka natin isa-substitute si negative 1 doon sa ating variable. So 2 times negative 1 plus 11 equals negative 2 plus 11. Then g composed of f of negative 1 equals 9. Okay, thank you. Maraming salamat. Huwag po natin kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share dito sa ating YouTube channel. Pakiclick na rin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong lesson.